Nobody touched this 1926 Star motor car for decades, but today we find out if it still has one more life left in it. This 1926 Star motor car looks finished, but if the bones are good, we rebuild everything from the ground up. Well, look what we found here. 1926 Star motor car. Just how they left it.
All right, hooks in, get it tight. Ready?
Go.
Pull. It's moving.
All right, let's see what we've got here. Finally, beautiful. Well, here she is, just as neglected as they said. We've got our work cut out for us. All right, let's assess the state of this vintage beauty and begin the restoration process. All right, that'll do it. Looks good. All right, let's get this hood open. The hood side panel of this 1926 Star motor car is lifted away, revealing the engine bay packed with dust, oxidized fittings, All right, time to tackle these front fenders. This one's gonna be stubborn. Got it. There's a lot of gunk in here. Just a little more, and free. Look at that corrosion right in there. The time has come to take off the left front fender of the 1926 Star. Time for the right front fender to come off. And just like that, we're inside. All right, time to get this off. Careful now, she's a heavy one. There we go.
You can see the original cream paint here before we strip it back. It's been a long journey for this car.
All right, let's see what's underneath here. All right, let's get into this, see what's underneath. There's a lot of oil saturation on these. All right, time to pull the gauges on this 1926 Star. We'll start with the speedometer. Check the oil pressure gauge next. Don't want to break the glass. All right, let's see if we can get this out without breaking it. There we go. A bit dusty, but it's free. Solid work. All right, that's got the fuel line clear. Let's check the filter now. Time to clear this out and see what we're working with here. Yeah, get rid of that clutter. All right, easy does it. Slow and steady. There we go. Engine out. Now the real work begins.
Every piece of the 1926 Star, laid out and ready for the next step. It's the only way. The soaking process is crucial. Each panel has to be perfectly wet before we move on to the foam.
You got to get in here, deep into the seams. All this old grease and dirt. See how that breaks up? Good as new. All right, let's get this metal shining. That should do it. Now for the rinse. The rear quarter of this 1926 Star motor car is being cleaned, lifting decades of dullness from the cream panel and black fender. All right, here it is. First real look at the washed chassis. We've still got work ahead, but it's progress. Time to get this water out of the crevices and seams. Nothing dries it like compressed air. Precision is key here. The Star's finish is nearing perfection. Those lamps make all the difference. It's looking incredible, boss. The degreaser is really doing its job on this 1926 Star block. Look at that, just running right off. All right, just one final sweep and we're ready for stripping.
The post-clean inspection reveals a few dents and pitting, but the original shapes are remarkably preserved. The engine of this 1926 Star motor car is truly a story in itself. Look at this carbon buildup.
The engine block is ready. Extracting the first piston now.
All right, decades of service and still solid. Easy does it now. Yep, looks honest. Heavy piece of history. The Star block coming up clean. You can see the original machining marks now.
The heart of the 1926 Star, brought back to life, one meticulous detail at a time.
Perfect. The new bearings are seated just right. Time to lock it down. Nice and tight, just like it should be.
The heart of the star returns. Precision engineering in metal, fit for another century of service.
All right, nice and easy. That's it, perfect. Just like it belongs. Another one down.
All right, stripping this chassis back is a tough job, but it's worth it to see the honest metal underneath. You can see right here where the metal's dipped. Just needs a little more filler to bring it up. All right, focusing on this high spot here. Just a little bit more, that's it.
Yeah.
Getting that curvature back, perfect. The firewall's coming along nicely. Just need to smooth out these last edges.
Perfect. That's a textbook primer coat on the 26 Star chassis, looking uniform and ready for the next stage.
All right, moving to the main body now. Keep the passes even, overlapping just enough to hide that old finish. Excellent pass. The repairs look flawless under the primer. Perfect. Let's get some color on this beauty. Almost there. Little more pressure here, and it's on. Perfect fit. You see that polish? Just incredible work.
Super perfect.
Absolutely perfect.
Precision bends, clean unions, perfect for the 1926 Star motor car. Ready for installation.
The heart of the 1926 Star, back to life. Restored by the hands of SK Restoration. Perfection in every detail.
Perfectly lubricated, like new.
The leaf springs of the 1926 Star motor car are receiving their final restored coating and assembly.
They look better than new.
Precise
All right, let's see how this fits. Just a little more adjustment here.
Yeah.
Perfect, that's got it. With the layout complete, we're now ready to feed the main harness through the 1926 Star.
We're restoring these 1926 Star headlamps. We've rebuilt the internals with polished reflectors and new wiring.
Yeah.
Look at the sparkling details of the glass.
The supports are all tight now. I think we're ready for the canvas. At SK Restoration, we bring these vintage pieces back to life. Every detail matters, like these restored seat. Welcome to SK Restoration. Feast your eyes on the resurrected beauty of this 1926 Star motor car. We're the heart of it all. Perfect stance, perfect alignment. Perfect. She's home.
The transmission is now properly mated to the engine. Note the fresh gaskets and precise fit of the restored components.
The fuel lines and cooling hoses need to be precise, ensuring every connection is perfectly secured.
The dashboard structure returns.
Look at these restored gauges, the refined driving position. It's beautiful.
The heart of the car, refitted with original perfection. Ready for another lifetime.
The geometry lines up perfectly. Looking good, Jim. Just need to smooth out the new leather. We're getting there.
The cream and black harmony is back. It fits like a glove.
The heart of the star is back in place. Smooth as butter.
All right, nice and easy. Perfect. Back where it belongs.
The stitching is precise and the material is taut. Another detail finished on the 1926 Star.
Almost there. Just a few more turns. Perfect.
Perfect.
A true beauty. All right, grill goes here, just like that. All right, lamps, perfect. Symmetric perfection, very good. And that's the final torque. These restored wheels, perfectly balanced and ready for the road. That's what I call a proper stance. After months of work, she's finally back on solid ground. A true beauty.
All right, first fire. Prime checked, timing set. Here we go. Yes.
Come on, baby! There it is, she's alive. All right, there you go.
Like clockwork, SK Restoration has done it again. Now that's what I call a perfect engine.
Another one ready for the road. Perfect, John. Absolutely perfect.
After years of painstaking work, behold the fully restored 1926 Star motor car. Its flawless cream and black finish is ready for the road.
All right, running beautifully. Smooth as silk.
All right, perfect. Just as it should be. If you want to see more forgotten classics like this 1926 Star motor car come back to life, stay with us because the next one is even wilder. Subscribe and watch this 1926 Star motor car make history again because this is only the beginning.